All right, what's up, guys? The lighting, the dome lights in the Suburban, not bad for vlogging at night. I'm sitting here at the Philadelphia airport. Brandon's flying in, so this is the start of our auto show load-in. So Brandon's flying in, and someone is pulling up awkward. It's always weird when I'm just by myself in the car making a video and someone just pulls up next to you in the cell phone lot. Brandon's coming. I am waiting to pick him up, and we're gonna go grab some cheesesteaks and then jump to tomorrow, basically, where we're gonna be loading the car up, finishing up a couple things in the car, and getting it ready for Thursday morning, where we're gonna bring it down to the Philadelphia Convention Center and load in at the Philadelphia Auto Show, where it's gonna sit for the week from February 2nd to the 10th. So come on down, check out the car. I'll be there Saturday and Sunday, both weekends, and might pop in on the weeknights, but I'll definitely be there on the weekends. So I'm gonna take a nap because I'm a half hour early, and we'll jump to when Wordless gets here. It's pretty crowded down here right now. All right, there's the Frontier sign. Do we see a Wordless? Do we see a Cold Floridian? Gonna jack my spot? Nope. All right, we're gonna slide right in here. There he is. All right, so it's really cold out right now. So Brandon's here. So he was actually in the clip last night when I pulled up to you at the airport, but it was way too cold to film anything while we got cheesesteaks, and it's way too cold to be loading the car right now. It's 11 degrees and a freaking wind chill of negative whatever, and it's just gonna be just as bad tomorrow. But car's loaded. Oh, you can't even see the color. Look at that. I don't even have to black and white it. Car's loaded up on the trailer. Got the Burb out here doing what I bought it to do. And we're leaving at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. We're gonna go to Jeff's now. We're gonna grab some food and then go to Jeff's and see what he's working on, because he's bringing 2 cars down tomorrow as well. Happy. Oh, all right. Started easier than I thought. 4 degrees. Wind chill is in the negatives. We're gonna head on down to the auto show. Got the car all loaded. Let's do this.
The Philly Auto Show just likes some toast.
Really?
Yeah.
Load in. Car is cold. Move the truck and the trailer afterwards once we get our spot. We're early this year, so we should get a decent spot compared to the back corner we got stuck in last year. And then we got some work to do on the car while we're here. Finish up some logos, and then detail the car because it's filthy from being on the trailer. So let's get this thing loaded in and see where they put us. Like the no parking zone in the tunnel? Yeah. All right, guys, so we are out here now inside the auto show. We're just cleaning everything up, hiding everything, hiding the mess in the cars. Brandon is detailing the entire car because it was filthy after bringing it over last night. So like that, everything's covered in salt. You would think I drove it here with how dirty the car was. So Brandon's over here shining me up. Still black and white because still haven't revealed the car. All right, so my car is back there behind me and it's all loaded in. Brandon cleaned it up nice for me and everything's looking good. Getting ready to leave, so I figured I will show you guys the color of the car. Finally, So I just recorded some clips, throw some music over it, and here it is. The version 4 of the rear-wheel drive 3000 GT drift car.
I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let it go. I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. And I can't let it go.
So there it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Come down to the Philly Auto Show February 2nd, so Saturday through next Sunday, February 10th. And come say what's up. I'll be there Saturday, Sunday, maybe during the week some nights, and then next Saturday and Sunday and Friday night as well. So come say what's up, and we'll see if we can walk around and see what kind of cars are here, give you guys an idea of what to expect.
Yo, you ready? 15 minutes of fame. Fucking, about to subscribe. We're gonna get some new subscribers right now. Going after them subs. Going after them subs, dog. Yo, just get his face. That's your clickbait. Dude, that's your fucking thumbnail.
Just Jeff's face.
Yep, that's it right there. Boom. And then like I have some clickbait title like Chaser breaks control arm pulling into auto show, like something along those lines.
Wait. Is that a 1JZ?
Jeff Stoneback's 1JZ swapped Camry.
Good over here.
Scott's got the Turn 14 Porsche. I was put in charge of moving this car from PA to Las Vegas to Indianapolis, or to California to Indianapolis and back to PA this past fall. It was a tough one, but it made it safe. We got it wrapped for work. And this was actually our SEMA car. Yo, my man said, you wait.